And this is September 1st, 2025, and we're here in Van Buren for the Northern Maine Antique Tractor Club Plow Day. This is an event that brings all the farmers in the area to show off their antique tractors. And we have some tractors from the past and some the tractors of today, all here at the Plow Day on Wayne Markey's farm in Van Buren. We have people from all over the county that have brought tractors here. The members of the Northern Maine Antique Tractor Club. Quite a variety of tractors, and everybody has their own favorite. Some of them are not working very often, but some that we have here are now working on the farms. The scenery here is spectacular. The farms in this part of the county are very, very nice. And we can see many of them. As you can see, this whole area, all farmland. But today, it's not all about tractors, but about farming equipment. And as we can see here, it has changed over time. From a 2-row plow to a 12-row plow. This is what has made the agriculture in Aroostook County. The Plow Day is an opportunity for the farmers to get together, not only to showcase their tractors, but also talk about antique tractors, rebuilding tractors. And this is what is going to be plowed under today. A field of alfalfa. As you can tell, the soil is beautiful. Very, very few rocks. Just fertile soil.
Hello, I'm Carol Bell. I'm secretary for the Northern Maine Antique Tractor Club. We were established in 2008. There was a southern division and we decided to start a northern division in 2008. We do many things. A lot of people think all we do is pull tractors because that seems to be a highlight. We typically have 8 tractor pulls each year, but besides that we have other things. We have a tractor track where we donate money to hospice and the House of Comfort and the cancer group in Central Aroostook. And we also have a Plow Day, which is where we're at today. Plow Day is a time that we get together. We have old tractors, old plows, and we just plow till our heart is content. We have some big ones, we have some more modern ones, but we have some very old ones, and it's really quite a sight to see. I encourage anybody who does not know anything about the Tractor Club to look us up. We do a lot of things other than just pull. We have a good time, and it's a beautiful day, so I hope that people look us up and see what all we do.
Okay, my name's Wayne Markey from Markey Farms, and we're having an old plow day here. It's basically a bunch of boys playing in the dirt, and it's a fun day. It's a beautiful day. This is one of our farms here for rotation crop we're plowing under, and I want you to note the biggest thing here is not this how big the tractors are or how big the tires are. It's how big every operator has a smile on his face, ear to ear. They are in heaven. Brings back the olden days when this is with the tractors we learned how to drive tractors with when we were kids, you know, which is 50, 60 years ago. But fun for all, good food, and up here in Northern Maine, beautiful country. Hope everybody has fun.
The crop that they're plowing under, tell me what that is.
That is a cover crop, green manure. It's alfalfa. And first year we planned that to plow under, and pretty impressive. I think we'll do more in the following years. Yep.
I noticed it's got a real long root, and it's got to drill down into the soil.
Yes, that's the reason we're trying alfalfa here. Yeah, penetrating roots, go deep, big roots.
Now, do you? So this year, so next year you'll have another crop here.
Here we'll have a crop of potatoes next year. Yeah.
Well, thank you, Wayne. This has been a
You're welcome.
day.
Yes.
Hi, we're here at Wayne Markey's plow day, and I came with my tractors, but they got no plow. But I heard over the rumors that Malcolm Morse's plow was here, so I came to check it out today, see how it's going to do. This here was bought back in 1968 with a 756, and when the farm got done and both my uncles passed away, Mom was the executor of the farm. So Mom sold it for scrap steel. Then James Pelletier got wind of it and went down to Fort Kent over at Steve Charrette's junkyard and got the plow. So James brought it back to Frenchville. Then he sold it to someone here in Van Buren. Now I get to see it plow again.
What's so nice about this plow day is that people get together. Farmers, lovers of antiques, especially antique tractors and farm equipment, all get together and just have a fun day. Here at the Plow Day, sponsored by the Northern Maine Antique Tractor Club. And people have gathered here from all over just to watch and see these antique tractors plow up the soil here at Markey Farm. Well, what a nice day this is. Gorgeous sunny day here at Wayne Markey's farm, just to see lots of tractors. People are lining up, which will be starting pretty soon to actually see some plowing. And we have a lot of youth walking around. We have sons and daughters of farmers, but certainly maintaining the farming tradition here in the family. So now we have the last minute preparations before we get this equipment going and ready to plow. Going to start, it's turning over. And it has started. Two-row plow. And we're off. And now we're getting ready for the beginning of plow. Starting their machines, getting it ready to go. 9:30. And we're going to do a lot of plowing here today. And Wayne Markey's going to lead it off. And here comes Wayne, leading it off. First row. And now the next tractor is getting in. Oh, we're getting off. We're getting ready to start. Some of these plows are manual, meaning that you've got to move the plow, put the cutters into the ground, at least loosen them up. As you can see, They're all starting to line up here, ready to make their first pass in this field. Well, once we have it going, it will pull. You have to remember, these were the pioneer tractors some time back. And the third one is coming up. This is a real old plow. Look at the quality, the workmanship of this tractor. Now this is a classic, the Ford. Probably one of the more popular tractors back in its heyday. This is a single row plow. Once this was a very, very new machine and a good machine. Clearly beat plowing by hand. Here's a multi-row plow. Big improvement from a single row to one of these. You can plow a lot of land in one day. Tractor has a unique sound. You can tell the make, the model by just the sound of the engine. And here's Carol Bell on a borrowed tractor, but just having a fun day plowing this field. Row, plow. Very nice, Carol. And here's another distinctive sound of the John Deere. Real classic. These were the standards in this farm country back a few years ago. Another classic, the Alice Chalmers. Certainly a two-row plow. And now we're coming into the big boys. This is a machine from James Felton, Frenchville. Look at the size of that machine. It takes all that power to pull a huge plow. a lot of land in no time. People along the way are just admiring this, just having a good time watching these tractors plow the land. Massey Ferguson, another well-known farm implement here in the St. John Valley. And as far as you can see are tractors, and more tractors plowing up the field. Now the tractors are turning at the end of this field, then making their first pass, coming down. They'll be coming by us here in a few minutes. And now they've rounded the turn and they're coming into the field again to complete their first pass. You don't see that anymore. Well-restored machine. Size of that plow. On and on and on. And this is a tractor and plow of the past. The Ford tractors. Very popular. Still quite a few around. Long-lasting machines. This is a one-row plow. So that's all they can handle, these little Fords. And the Alice Chalmers. An upscale version of the plow. 5 rows. Unheard of at one time, and now double that size. Tractors of the past. It's nice to see that the club is encouraging people to keep these old machines, fix them up and make them work. And they do, as you can tell. 2-row plow. And our own Carol Bell. Not on her own tractor, but on a borrowed one, but still, a Ford is a Ford. the distinctive sound of the John Deere tractor. Clearly a workhorse on the farm. And the farm all M. They had different letters for each farm all tractor. Each one stands for something unknown to me at the moment. And here's the Oliver. Once popular in Aroostook County, now a little more distant. We're almost at the end of our first pass around the field. This will be going on all day long. Farming in the St. John Valley is a very generational profession. You can see families bringing families together. 2 generations. The next generation is on the tractor. Wayne is bringing the young boy out for a ride on a tractor. What a thrill for this young man. Waving back to his parents. And we talked of intergenerational farming. Now we're taking a ride on our tractor. Plowing. Here at the plow day. And Carol with her second pass. And this is Wayne Markey and this young fellow that he just picked up along the way, showing him how to ride a tractor and plow a field. You can only imagine the thrill of this young man on a tractor. Stories that will live forever. Some are making their second pass around this field. A lot of field to plow. In our second pass. Adjusting the speed of the tractor. And our John Deere. But people are really enjoying this. of equipment. And now Carol Bell, she can't give it up. Just enjoying her day out in the sun on the Markey farm in Van Buren, plowing alfalfa. And a long line of tractors. People who have put in a lot of time fixing up this equipment and now showing it off, remembering the past, what it was. And now we're lining up for a group photo out here at the edge of the field. The horizon in the background, the field at the foreground, and the tractors in between. And now the tractors are all lined up at the edge of the field. This is a group photo. Each one represents some farmer, some time, some piece of equipment, all of which they're very proud of, and as they should be. That's what this plow day is all about. Showcasing the equipment of the past and the future. These are farmers, traditions in the St. John Valley. Now after the group photo on the hill, they're coming back down. concludes the Plow Day, September 1st, 2025. Here at Wayne Marquis Farm in Van Buren. A big thank you to Wayne. And also to the Northern Maine Antique Tractor Club for promoting this event, as well as the restoration of farm implements here in the St. John Valley. Thank you.